A hidden panel gives you quick access to common controls. In this video, we will explain how to use the Windows Quick Settings panel. Quick Settings is a small panel that lets you toggle frequently used features without digging through menus. To open it, click the area in your taskbar showing the network, volume, and battery icons, usually in the bottom right corner. The panel pops up with handy controls. From here you can turn Wi-Fi on or off, connect to networks, toggle Bluetooth, and enable airplane mode. Adjust your screen brightness and volume with simple sliders. Switch on night light for comfortable evening viewing. Enable Do Not Disturb to silence notifications. Turn on accessibility features quickly. Cast your screen to another display. The panel also shows your battery level and lets you change power modes. You can customize which controls appear by clicking the Edit button, adding the toggles you use most and removing ones you do not need. This puts your favorite settings just one click away. The Quick Settings panel is one of the most convenient features in Windows. Once you start using it, adjusting common settings becomes faster and far more intuitive.